In Afghanistan, 3 explosives near Kabul kill at least 6 people and wound more than 20 others. In New Zealand, Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern bans all military-style, semi-automatic, and automatic assault weapons. The announcement comes less than 1 week after 50 people were shot and killed at 2 mosques in Christchurch. In the Netherlands, government lawyers say they will charge the suspect in this week's deadly tram shooting in Utrecht with multiple murder charges with terrorist intent. And officials in Malawi close a large number of schools in flooded areas in the country's south.